Hello, I'm John. I'm back again. Today this lesson is about collection types, arrays, dictionaries, and sets. Array is an ordered collection of elements. The array type is written as array less than and greater bracket E, where E is the type of element. It also has a shorthand syntax, square bracket E. Mutable array can be changed. Immutable array cannot be changed. Let me give you the example for mutable arrays. You use the var keyword to create a mutable array. You create a new variable called number that is of the type array. Number is mutable. Your array will accept instance of the integer type. You initialize number with 1, 4, 7, and 9 inside the square bracket. You are using the appended method to add 4 to the number. As you can see, 4 has been added in the array. You are using the remove method to remove 7 from the number. The 7 in the third index was removed from the array. As you can see on the sidebar, 7 has been removed from the array. The insert function has two arguments. The first argument takes the instance to add to the array. The second argument takes the index for where you would like to add the new element in the array. As you can see on the sidebar, 5 has been inserted at the index 4. It is often useful to know how many items are in the array. You can work this out using the array count property. As you can see on the sidebar, there are 5 items in the array. You can quickly reverse the contents of an array using the reverse function. As you can see on the sidebar, the content of the array has been reversed. You use subscripting to change an item at a particular index. As you can see on the sidebar, start from the index 0 and finish at the index 3. You use addition and assignment operator to add number to the item at index 1. This assignment works because the instance at index 1 is of the same type as the instance you added to it. Both are of the integer type. As you can see on the sidebar, 3 has been added at the index 1. 3 add 4 come out 7. You replace an array item as index 2. As you can see on the sidebar, at the index 2, 9 has been replaced to 7. Next, dictionaries. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pair. The value can be of any type. The key can be of any type as well, but they must be unique. Each has syntax dictionary, less than and greater bracket, key value. Each also has shorthand syntax, square bracket, key value. Mutable dictionaries can be changed or modified. Immutable dictionary cannot be changed or modified. Let me give you an example for mutable dictionary. You create a mutable dictionary using the dictionary neutral syntax. Each keys are instance of integer type and represent individual order number. This key map onto value that are instance of string type that represent individual order name. Reading a value from the dictionary, you accept value from a dictionary by supplying the key associated with the value you would like to retrieve. You supply the key file to the dictionary of the menu. As you can see on the sidebar, the result is now set to be equal to the POC file rise. You add a new key value pair to your dictionary. You use the assignment operator to associate a value string file with the new key 10. As you can see on the sidebar, you have added key 10 value string file rise. The method remove value take a key as an argument and remove the key value pair that match what you provide. As you can see on the sidebar, the value of the duck noodle has been removed. You can also remove a key value pair by setting a key value to nil. As you can see on the sidebar, the POC file rise has been removed. It is often useful to know how many items are in a dictionary. You can work this out using the dictionary's count property. As you can see on the sidebar, there are 2 items in the dictionary. You can modify a value in your dictionary. The value associated with key 2 is now equal to beef noodle. As you can see on the sidebar, The key to values now is beef noodle. You can use for in loop through a dictionary, providing temporary constant represent the key and the value. These constants are placed with a double, thus for in loop can access inside of each body. You use string interpolation to combine key and value into a single string. As you can see the result on the console. Key 10, value shrimp fried rice. Key 2, value beef noodle. You do not have to access both the key and the value of each entry. A dictionary has a property for each key and value that can be accessed separately if you only need the information from one. As you can see the result on the console, the key is 10 and another key is 2. Next set. Set is similar to an array in that it contains a number of elements of a certain type. Sets are unordered, and the member must be unique. It has syntax set. Let me give you an example for that. You create an empty set by using the set type initializer and declare that it will hold instance of the string type. Each is a mutable set called mid-set. You add value to the mid-set using the insert method. The true indicates whether the instance was successfully inserted into the set. The element type of the instance you inserted into the set, which also must match the type of the elements the set stores. You can create a set with a more convenient syntax. Let me give you an example for that. You use an initializer on set to create a set instance from an array instance. Set provides another convenient syntax to create an instance. This syntax combines declaring the instance to be of the set type with the array neutral syntax. Let me give you an example for that. This code explicitly declares mid-set to be of the set type, which means that we can use the array neutral syntax to create an instance of set. Next, content method. Content method looks inside of a set instance for a particular item. The first result is false. Your mid set does not have any string inside of it. The second result is true. Your meat set does have beef inside of it. Next, looping through a set. Let me give you an example for that. As the meat set has a few items inside of it, you can loop through a set to see each content. Each item in the meat set is logged to the console, as you can see on the console. Next, count. Let me give you an example for that. If you add the same object twice to a set, each only included in the set once. Duck is twice in the array. Bring it to total of 5 items. But we ask the set how many objects it contains. It will report only 4 items. Next, union method. Union method takes an argument that expects a sequence and returns a new set instance that includes the unique element of both collections. Let me give you an example for that. You use union method to combine meat set and another meat set to form a new set instance, as you can see on the sidebar. Next, intersection method. Intersection method identifies the items that are presented in both collections and returns those duplicated items in a new set instance. Let me give you an example for that. Another meat set duplicates several of the items, but not all of them. As you can see on the sidebar, the results show you the duplicated items. Next is disjoint method. Is disjoint method return true or false depending on whether any member of the set are in the sequence provided to its disjoint argument. Let me give you an example for that. The two sets do share any item. The result will be false, as you can see on the sidebar. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my lesson. See you the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.